Hey everybody, if you have a Mini Cooper and would like to get some racing stripes on there, I'll leave a link down below where you can go check them out. I'm pretty sure there's quite different ones to choose from. I'll be showing you the installation process so you can get an idea what it takes to get them installed so you can do it yourself. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is unbox your racing stripes, of course. Next thing is cut them down to size, but do leave some room for possible adjustments. In other words, don't cut your pieces too short. Next, you're going to want to get your hood nice and wet. Also, spray some of that water on top of the vinyl material. It will help lubricate and prevent you from scratching the material when you start squidging all the water out, which we'll be doing next. Okay, so this is the part where having patience is key. The goal here is to leave a bubble and wrinkle free finish. And do take your time with this. The more detailed you are with the squeegee tool, the better the results. So having said that, take your time, don't rush it, and you'll be just fine. We're going to move on to the tailgate. We're going to repeat the exact same steps. Cut your material down to size. Wet your surface area. Is going to help with the glue from the actual vinyl material. Move on to the squeegee portion of it. Take your time with this once again to get great results. And as a bonus, we're actually going to be doing some racing stripes down by the side skirts. And that should complete the look of this Mini Cooper with the racing stripes on the hood, racing stripes on the tailgate, and the racing flags down by the side skirts. And this is the final results. This is what it looks like. I think it looks really neat. Again, you can choose between various stripes and flags designs. I think it gives the card a bit of a more of a sportier look and feel to it. So if you like this video, go ahead and comment down below, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.